Hazrat Ali described about sin as Azamu Zanubi in the lie Zambun Sigrun in the Sahibihi. The greatest sin near Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is that which the sinner considers small. Ajibto li aqwama yahtamuna ta'ama makhafat al-aza. I wander from home avoid to eat to save from physical trouble. Kaifa la yahtamuna zanuba makhafat al-nar. Don't avoid from sins for fear of hell. Ma zafira man zafir al-isma bih. He who is overcome by sins is not successful. Wala yakhafanna illa zambahu. Don't fear except your sin. He said, Ma jafati damu'o illa li kaswatil qalubi wa ma kasatil qalubo illa bi kasratil zanub. Eyes don't shed tears due to hard-heartedness, and hard-heartedness is due to the abundance of sins. Allah wa innal khataya khaylun man hamala alayya wa khalat li hammiha. The example of sins is like rebellious horse. While riding on it, the rider leaves the reins open. Fatakahammat bihim finnar. And this rebellious horse takes the rider to the hell. He mentioned, Az-zanubu da'un wa dawa'ul istighfarun wa shifa'u alla ta'uda. Sin is a disease. Its medicine is istighfar, and its healing is not to repeat it again. He further described min kaffarati zanubil izami ighasatul malhufi wa tanfisu anil makrub. Listen the cry of a disturbed person and it dumped the troubled person from trouble is the atonement of big sin. He further said, Innal marda yahutu sayyat. Disease removes the sins. Kama yahutul awraq. As the leaves fall. He advised, Ittaqaw ma'asi Allah fil khalawat. Be afraid to do sins in solitude. Fa inna shahida huwal hakim. Because the witness, Allah Almighty, is the ruler.